Managing your machines shouldn't be a hassle. The Machine Companion app serves as an extension of the machine, providing access to crucial machine insights. The app is tailored for machine owners and extended to service technicians from dealer and OEM organization. It can be customized, white-labeled, and delivered via the OEM Google Play and App Store. Let's look into some interesting features that the app offers. Comprehensive machine insights. The app offers comprehensive machine insights to help you monitor your entire fleet with a single glance, with a detailed overview of machine's location, status, and also highlights the essential machine metrics based on OEM configuration. You can track crucial data like operating hours, fuel efficiency, and battery levels in real time. Whether you're managing a single machine or an entire fleet, the app provides a clear breakdown of performance, helping you make informed decisions to boost productivity. Effortless monitoring. No matter where you are, the Machine Companion app ensures effortless monitoring of your machines. Get a comprehensive view of your fleet, with the flexibility to filter by status, model, organization, and warnings. With both list and map views, you can track multiple machines with a seamless navigation across different job sites in seconds. If a machine needs maintenance or has a warning, this enables fast action to keep operations running smoothly. Avoid downtime and keep your fleet productive by addressing potential problems before they escalate. Geolocation sharing. Need to share a machine's location? You can easily share a secure link to the live or static location or copy address and more. Whether you're moving machines between sites or preparing for transport, the location sharing feature streamlines the process with just a tap. This makes tasks like coordinating with a logistics provider for machine pickup and delivery simpler than ever. Maintenance management. The maintenance feature helps you keep up with maintenance tasks, ensuring all machines are in top condition. You can track maintenance tasks, see what's been completed, and get a clear view of upcoming service needs. Maintenance checklists and acknowledgement processes ensure every task is fully documented. Whether it's routine service or more complex repairs, the app provides full accountability and transparency, making sure nothing gets overlooked. Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs. The app's diagnostic solution detects and displays all active DTC, allowing you to resolve them quickly, minimizing downtime and repair costs. The Machine Companion app is your all-in-one tool for managing your fleet from anywhere, boosting productivity and reducing costs. Download it now and transform the way you manage your machines. For more information, visit our website and learn more.